What if your dream tricycle is actually a nightmare to ride? In this video, we listed the 5 best adult tricycle bikes: trikes, stability, comfort, cargo space, and even hill climbing, with jaw-dropping results. $1,800 model outperformed luxury brands, while a bestseller nearly tipped over. Skip buyer's remorse, all links below. Let's ride. Number 1. Schwinn Meridian Adult Tricycle Bike. This tricycle has many features that make it a favorite of everyone. It comes with a basket that you can use to carry your essentials and food items for a short trip. This tricycle can carry up to 300 pounds weight, so you can put as much as you want without worrying about breaking it. Moreover, its simple yet classy design is suitable for all genders. Also, it has adjustable handlebars and a seat, which you can change according to height. This adjustability feature suits people between 5'4" to 6'2". Plus, it offers multiple speeds, so you can ride it on whatever suits your style. Number 2. Slsy Adult Tricycle. Slsy Adult Tricycle has a high weight carrying capacity, making it a good fit for obese adults. Transport heavy weight on cycle or go grocery shopping once a week, go on picnics, etc. Slsy Adult Tricycle is the best choice for all these tasks. Slsy Adult Tricycle has an extra large padded seat to provide commendable comfort. The steel frame material is highly durable and has all the tools you may need to assemble this tricycle. Moreover, it offers 7 gear speeds to let the riders enjoy cycling at all speeds. Plus, the gear speed is more than classical ones, so you will always be ahead of others. Number 3. PEXMOR Adult Trike. It is designed to keep the needs of seniors in mind, like comfort, effective controls, and smooth and safe rides. Its high-carbon steel frame provides sturdiness and incredible durability. Plus, the cushioned seat provides unmatchable comfort, so you feel energized even if you ride it for long hours. Furthermore, it offers 7 riding speeds for a more thrilling experience. PEXMOR Adult Trike is ideal for seniors of all heights because of its adjustable handlebars and seats. What I like the most about this cycle is that it has a front and one rear basket, which means you will have a lot of room for your stuff. Number 4. Mantis Tri-Rad Folding Adult Tricycle. The frame of the Mantis Tri-Rad Folding Adult Tricycle is built from aluminum, giving its exceptional sturdiness and durability. Moreover, the seat is soft, which keeps the riders comfortable. The only thing I don't like about Mantis Tri-Rad Folding Adult Tricycle is that it does not offer back support, which makes many seniors think twice before buying it. However, if you have no back problem, you will regret not buying such an amazing tricycle. Plus, it offers 6 gear speeds to enjoy your rides more. Number 5. MOONCOOL Adult Tricycles. What impressed me the most was its heavy-duty material and sturdy construction, which can bear up to 350 pounds of weight. You can take it for grocery shopping, picnics, beaches, or anywhere and keep your stuff in the large cargo basket with the cycle. Moreover, its wide wheels provide extra stability to keep the riders safe. Another great feature that makes this cycle stand out is the wheel size availability according to the rider's height. One wheel size is not for all, you can choose one that goes well with your height. To everyone's surprise, you won't find this feature on any other tricycle. By changing gears effortlessly, you can enjoy riding this tricycle at 7 different speeds. If you are worried about your tricycle getting dirty by speeding in muddy areas, trust its stylish fenders, which protect the cycle and the rider. So, which trike matches your needs? Tell us in the comments. If this helped you choose wisely, pedal that like button, share with someone who needs stability, and subscribe. E-trikes are up next. All purchase links are below. Your next adventure starts here.